In a small university bedroom, a groundbreaking experiment is unfolding, capturing the attention of fusion enthusiasts and experts alike. Meet Hudhayfa Nazoordeen, a math major at the University of Waterloo, who built a miniature fusion reactor with just $2,000 and sheer determination. Inspired by the design of a tokamak, Nazoordeen's reactor uses a 12 kV neon sign transformer to generate plasma, the essential state for fusion. With zero hardware experience, Nazoordeen spent his first week sourcing components online, and the next 2 weeks assembling the reactor. The biggest challenge came in week 3, creating a vacuum system, crucial for allowing nuclei to fuse at incredibly low pressures. After meticulous efforts to seal tiny leaks, Nazoordeen achieved a vacuum of 25 millionths of an atmosphere, a critical milestone. Using an MKS 901P transducer, he monitored and controlled the vacuum, ensuring pressure levels were optimal for potential fusion reactions. Despite not achieving full fusion, Nazoordeen's project is a remarkable feat, aided by the expertise of university engineers and an AI chatbot. Inspired by other young innovators like Olivia Lee, Nazoordeen's work highlights the growing accessibility of fusion research to independent minds. These grassroots projects offer hope that the future of energy innovation could be fueled by creativity, persistence, and even a bedroom workshop.